In today's video, we'll create this rounded corner business card using Canva. So, let's begin. First, open Canva. Click on Create. Search Business Card. We'll take this rounded one. Go to Elements and search Abstract Background. Go to the Photos section. We'll take this image for our background. Flip it vertically. Expand and adjust its size on the canvas. Next, search Shell Pattern Illustrations. Go to the Graphics section. We'll use this one. Change its color to white. Adjust its size and position. Now, change its color to match the background. Next, go to Elements, then Shapes. Open Basic Shapes. Take this circle. Adjust its size and position. Go to Color. Choose Gradient. Change both stop colors of the gradient. Now, move the first one to the second. Then duplicate and place the dark one at the end. Choose a circular gradient. In this way, you can create a circular gradient shape. Duplicate this shape. Change its color to dark solid lavender. Reduce its size and place it in the center. After this, go to Elements. Search Circle Shadow. Go to the Graphics section. Add this one. Adjust its size and position like ours. Next, we'll add a business logo. You can use your own. Now, adjust its color. Go to Text. Add a heading. Type the company name. Go to Font. We'll use the Kagitingen font. Change the font size to 15. We'll change its color to golden to match the logo. Adjust its position. Reduce the line spacing. Now, add your tagline. Here, we'll choose the Nord semi-bold font. Reduce the font size. Choose a light color. Place it under the name. After this, go to Elements. Search Golden Crescent. Go to the Graphics section. Add this one. Adjust its size and position. Add a new page. Copy the background. Paste it on the second page. Flip it horizontally. Adjust its size and position. After this, go to Elements. Then Shapes. Open Basic Shapes. Add a square shape. Place it at the bottom. Change its color to dark lavender. Now, we'll add this background image to match our style. Click on Edit, then open Tools. Choose Magic Grab. Select Brush. Adjust the brush size. Brush this part to grab it. Now, we'll adjust its size and position. After this, copy the logo and company name. Paste them on the second page. Adjust their position. Go to Text. Add a subheading. First, we'll add service details. Next, go to Elements. Search Call Logo. Go to the Graphics section. Add this one. Change its color. Adjust its size and position like ours. Now, we'll add a name. Make the job role text white for contrast. Duplicate the text. Add the number. Similarly, do the same for the next one. After this, go to Elements. Search Location icon. Go to the Graphics section. We'll take this one. Change its color to white. Place it in the bottom left corner. Now, we'll add the address. In this way, you can create a rounded corner business card. Let's see how it looks. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.